If meal prep feels like the most annoying part of cooking, you're definitely not alone. Chopping onions, dicing tomatoes, slicing peppers. It sounds simple until you're standing in the kitchen spending 20 minutes doing repetitive knife work just to make one dinner. And honestly, that's usually the moment people either order takeout or give up on cooking healthy meals altogether. The Fullstar Original Pro Chopper has been everywhere lately, especially on TikTok, promising faster prep with almost no effort. But after actually using it in a real kitchen, does it genuinely save time, or is it just another viral gadget collecting dust in a drawer? So this is the Fullstar Original Pro Chopper, a 4-in-1 vegetable chopper and spiralizer designed for busy home cooks who want meal prep to feel quicker and less frustrating. It's meant for people juggling family dinners, meal prep routines, healthier eating goals, or just everyday cooking without wanting to pull out a giant food processor every time they need chopped vegetables. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. Right away, the thing that stands out is how approachable the design feels. It's compact, lightweight, and doesn't look intimidating like some complicated kitchen gadgets do. The white finish keeps it looking clean and modern, and the built-in container underneath the blades is honestly one of the best parts. Instead of chopped vegetables flying all over the cutting board, everything drops neatly into the tray, which makes the whole process feel much less messy. The build quality is also better than I expected for something in this price range. The blades feel genuinely sharp, and the BPA-free plastic doesn't have that flimsy, disposable feel some cheaper choppers suffer from. The rubberized base keeps it from sliding around while you're pushing down, and the soft grip handle actually makes repetitive chopping more comfortable than using a knife for long prep sessions. What makes this thing useful isn't just speed, it's consistency. Onions, cucumbers, bell peppers, potatoes, tomatoes, everything comes out evenly diced in seconds. And if you cook regularly, that matters more than people think, because evenly cut vegetables cook more consistently and honestly make meals look better too. For salads, salsa, stir-fry, soups, or low-carb meal prep, it takes a task that normally feels tedious and makes it almost effortless. One thing I genuinely appreciate is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need cooking skills to use it well. You just place the vegetable over the blade grid, press down the lid, and that's basically it. There's no loud motor, no complicated setup, and no learning curve. Compared to electric food processors, it's quieter, easier to store, and much faster to clean for smaller daily tasks. And speaking of cleanup, this is where a lot of kitchen gadgets usually fail. Thankfully, the Fullstar keeps things simple. Most of the parts rinse off quickly, and since it's top-rack dishwasher safe, cleanup doesn't become another annoying chore after cooking. That alone makes it much easier to actually use every day instead of leaving it untouched in a cabinet. Now, to be fair, there are a few limitations. Harder vegetables like sweet potatoes can require a decent amount of pressure, so it's not completely effortless for every ingredient. Also, while the blades are extremely sharp, which is great for performance, you definitely need to be careful during cleaning and storage. And if you're preparing huge batches of food regularly, an electric processor will still handle large volumes faster. Compared to other manual vegetable choppers in the same price range, though, the Fullstar stands out because it balances convenience, simplicity, and reliability really well. Some cheaper options feel flimsy after a few uses, while more expensive alternatives often add extra attachments that most people never actually use. This one focuses on doing the basics efficiently, and honestly, that's probably why it became so popular in the first place. Overall, the Fullstar Original Pro Chopper feels like one of those kitchen gadgets that actually earns the hype. It won't magically make you love cooking overnight, but it absolutely removes some of the most frustrating parts of meal prep. If you cook often, want healthier meals with less effort, or just hate chopping vegetables manually, this genuinely makes everyday cooking easier. If you want faster meal prep without spending a fortune on bulky appliances, this is definitely worth checking out. The link is down in the description if you want current pricing or customer reviews. And if this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.